regulation, we had the chance to possibly win the game. Unfortunately, it missed. Just your thought process about that shot, and what was your mentality when the ball was up in the air?
Actually, it felt good. It felt it was gonna go in. So short nga lang. Diretso naman. And it was a great play design by Coach Henry. Hopefully, makabounce back na kami next.
Just had to ask about yun nga, hindi ito, naging crucial kasi yung parang foul on Calvin. Can you just talk us, ano yung nasa isip mo doon?
Well, I was just trying to be smart, but it backfired. May fouls to give to me. And pag na-foul sana na hindi gathered, nakaset sana yung defense and there's more chances makastop kami. Galing din ni Calvin, the timingan niya, and alam kasi niya eh. So, as a player, siguro, have to bounce back and learn from it kasi medyo costly yung naging nangyari nun. And yung mate nung loss namin na to sa series na to. But, again, hindi pa naman kami out. It's a 7-game series for a reason. It's first to 4. So, recover lang kami tomorrow and hopefully we can get our first win on Sunday.
Ian, you said it yourself, mahaba series, best of 7, first to 4. But that shot earlier, do you think that's something that you're going to think about?
No regrets naman. It was felt good, hindi lang pumasok. So, move on. Next shot naman. I'll make the next one.
Thanks, Mang.